Did you know that in Vietnamese, there's no single word for you? It changes based on age and relationship. Using the right pronoun helps your Vietnamese sound more natural and polite. So, how do you say you correctly in Vietnamese? Let's break it down. First, if you're talking to someone around your age, use these. Anh, older man. Chị, older woman. Em, younger person, male or female. For example, if you are 25 and you're talking to a 30-year-old man, call him anh. You're 25 and you're talking to a 30-year-old woman, call her chị. And if you're talking to a 22-year-old woman, call her em. So think of it like family. Anh is older brother. Chị is older sister. And em is younger sibling. And now, what if they are older? As you're talking to people around your parents' generation, use these. Chú, older man. Cô, older woman. Cháu is how they call you. So for example, if you are 25 and you're talking to a 60-year-old man, call him chú. If you're 25 and you're talking to a 60-year-old woman, call her cô. And they will call you cháu. It's like uncle, aunt, and nephew, niece in English. What about even older people? So, as talking to elderly people, try to use these. Ông is the older person, like your grandpa. Bà is the older woman, like your grandma. Cháu is how they call you. Imagine that you're talking to your grandparents. Is that easy? Now that you know how to say you in Vietnamese, try using them in real life. Which one do you find hardest to remember? Comment below. And don't forget to like and follow for more Vietnamese lessons. Thanks for watching. See ya!